like I tell people, it takes one, man. It takes one. Like I want to do it every day.
Awesome.
Like I'm serious. Like I want to do it every day. Like that's the type of person. At this point, when I'm looking, because I quit my job.
Let's
I
go.
quit my job. I was making six figures at my job. But guess what? Like I'm not worried about it because I already know God got a plan.
100%.
Man,
And
you
it
got
wasn't
so
there.
much potential, brother. You wasn't really created for that though, man, and you know that.
Exactly.
Your job is your daughter. That's your job. You know what I'm saying? You can chill.
And serve the people.
Yeah.
Right, and serving the people.
Can travel anywhere and still be making money.
Yep.
You're setting this up, man. And so whatever your daughter wants to do, it's done. It's like, it's done. You know? So, yeah, man, I commend you, man. And I'm grateful for the conversation that you guys shared with me. And, yeah, definitely good.
Well, I'm glad, you know, like we all can motivate each other. You know what I'm saying? Like